Hi, I'm Charlotte. I'm the head of the DigiKit design team at Daisy Trail. We've designed 3 brand new Christmas DigiKits, which we hope you're going to love, and I've designed a Christmas card in one of them. I'm going to show you how to make it. So this is the card we're going to make today. The first step is to design it in the software. The card that we're making today is actually one of the templates included in the DigiKit when you purchase it from the Daisy Trail website. Make sure that you've installed the DigiKit and then open up the CraftArtist software. Click Choose a Template, then narrow your options by using the Christmas filter. You should see the template we're using here. Click it once and then click OK. This card has been designed at 5 by 5 inches square. If you want to change the size, you can by clicking on Page Setup here. CraftArtist will try to resize and reposition everything on the template to your new size. You may need to move items around. Now you can personalise your design with text and other embellishments or photographs if you want to. We're happy with it as it is, although we have decided to add some decoupage to our card once it's printed out. We find the easiest way to do this is to print an extra copy of the main topper design. First, go to File, then New, then click on New Craft Project. This will set up a blank project at the same size as the last one you created. Now we've got our blank page, all we need to do is copy and paste the front topper design from our first project onto our second. We'll do this twice, once on the first page and once on the second. That's because we're creating 2 layers of decoupage, so we need 2 copies. Now print the front and back of projects 1 and 2 onto plain white cardstock. We find 280 GSM works well. Next, print the insert onto paper. Now it's time to assemble your card. Right, so we've printed out our card from the software. So I've got the front and back of my card, which I'm going to cut out and then fold. And then I've got my extra layers that I'm going to cut out and decoupage. And I've got my insert, which I've printed on a thinner paper that's going to sit inside my card for us to write our greeting on. So I'm going to start cutting everything out. So I'm going to use a craft blade and a metal ruler just to cut around the edges. And you could also use a guillotine. And obviously using a mat to cut on. Now I'm just going to score the middle to make it easier to fold. So just line it up and use the back of the knife, it's blunt, to score it on the middle. So I've finished cutting out my card and my insert, as you can see. And now I'm going to cut out my toppers. So I'm just going to use some scissors and I'm going to cut two different layers, the whole topper and then just the tag. So we've cut out all the individual pieces of our card now, so we're going to start assembling the card. So I'm going to start by putting some foam pads onto my topper. So I'll just peel off all the little bits and then I can line it up on my main card. So that's our first layer of our decoupage. So I'm going to put some foam pads onto my little tag now to make the third layer of my decoupage. So now I'm going to put my insert onto the card. And I'm going to use some double-sided tape. So there we have our insert in our card. So I'm just adding some glitter to the card as a finishing touch. and I'm using a glitter glue pen so I can get it really precise. So I've finished glittering my card and it's all finished and ready to post out now. So the DigiKit I've been using today is called Cozy Up Christmas, and it's part of a collection of 3 DigiKits that we're launching for this Christmas. And you can buy it now on the Daisy Trail shop. So yeah, have a wonderful Christmas.